Hello guys, I'm Sidra. You watching Magic Pinkoo Art. Today we draw a different type of shapes. So let's start draw. I love painting so very much. Rectangle shape. Trapezium shape, circle shape, and kite shape. Parallelogram shape, right triangle. It's color time. Blue color. Blue color is my most favorite color. So kids, are you enjoyed it? Yay! Next is opposite side color is pink. Next circle inside color is light green color. So kids, are you like my videos? So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Next is a kite. Kite inside color, frog color. Yay! Parallelogram inside color is a blue. Finally, last right triangle shape. So kids, are you enjoyed my video? So please like, share and subscribe my channel and take care. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.